What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and as you guys can see we have another hood, and today's hood is vz102129. It is our vicrez style hood with air vent scoops, and it's our Demon style hood fitting 2008 to 2023 model Dodge Challengers. Now let's go ahead and unbox this so we can get a better look at it. Now all we gotta do is simply just untwist all of these. Now guys, we do ship these in larger boxes with edge guards on them and foam just to protect them a lot better. And we actually do put foam all the way around the hood just to protect the edges. That way if it does ever get dropped, it's not getting damaged. And that way it arrives to you safely. Now, if I can get this flipped around for you guys. As you can see, it's our Demon style hood with the large vent scoop in the front. Now, sometimes we do ship them a little bit loose. That way you have to snap them down whenever installing. And to snap them down all the way, all you do is push down on it until you hear it click, like so. And then you want to make sure the top part's snapped in too. But I'm not going to go ahead and fully install this one right now, just in case you want to swap it out for a different one. Now, if we look on the underside here, you may notice something is missing around the porthole for the air vents. Now, if you still have your original port vent here, you can go ahead and install it, but we also do sell one. You will have to order it separately. And the reason for that is because we actually ordered them separately. We had them custom made just for this hood. And another thing to note, you will need your original hood latch to install this and make sure it closes properly. Now, we were shipping them with the hood latch, but we noticed a lot of the hood latches that we were receiving weren't fitting the car properly. So we just recommend you always use your OEM one. That way it latches properly and closes properly. Now, other than that, if you want to see an install video for this, I believe we have one up on our YouTube channel if you'd like to check it out. Other than that, that's pretty much it for this hood, which is vz102129. If you want to see more videos like this one, go make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos just like this one.